What number adds to make it 10? Please pause the video and try to answer. Okay, let's start. 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. 6 plus 4 is equals to 10. 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. 1 plus 9 is equals to 10. 10 plus 0 is equals to 10. 8 plus 2 is equals to 10. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 7 is equals to 10. 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. Plus 3 is equals to 10. 4 plus 3 is 7. Plus 3 is equals to 10. Okay. Next question. What number adds to make it 15? Please pause the video and try to answer. Okay, let's start. 8 plus 7 is equals to 15. 2 plus 13 is equals to 15. 6 plus 9 is equals to 15. 4 plus 11 is equals to 15. 1 plus 4 is equals to 15. 5 plus 10 is equals to 15. 11 plus 1, 12. Plus 3 is equals to 15. 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. Plus 10 is equals to 15. 3 plus 8 is 11. Plus 4 is equals to 15. I hope you learned. See you next time. God bless.